Oh, what's going on, buddies? It was time for me to leave Denver. Don't worry, I'll be back in 6 months, maybe 10. I had sold enough chicken wings and washed enough dishes to get back out on the road and travel freely, so let's head up north.
How's it going? Doing pretty good. Thought that was a high school at first. Might be the nicest looking present I ever seen.
It does look like a high school.
Yeah.
After checking out that bike park in Boulder, I wanted to go camp for the night on my way to Wyoming. So I went up to Fort Collins and headed west, took a left at Ted's place. Went probably about 30-45 minutes or so up into the mountains, followed the river the whole way, and found a nice camping spot.
Found this great site on Overlander, just off the road from Poudre River, however you pronounce that. It's down there. And yeah, gonna go on a quick little sunrise hike. Try to get up there. Just see how it goes. All this is man-made. Nice. Made it to the top. There's a fire ring up here. It's a pretty cool view right there, I have to say. I think it's time to find our way back over there. Clean up the van a little bit for travel and head down there to the river. Picked up a few things along the way. So note to self, bring some trash bags next time. Made it back. Made it back. We're up there.